Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams. I make movie films of other people's movie films shot on tiny magic car cameras. If you like, subscribe to my channels. Let's get on the road. Cinque. I have tiny penis. Look at me with my big engine. Very shocking scene. There was perfectly good handicapped space and they not use. Silly peoples. Serves them right for living in cheap knockoff Bel Air.
Oh nee, dit wordt echt niet gezellig. Oh nee, oh nee. Oh nee, oh nee, 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 nee. Kom, nee, nee, please niet. Please, holy shit man. Holy shit, hé. Oh mijn god. Oh mijn god. Oh mijn god, ik ga er nu heen.
Bana çarpacak, bak gördün mü bak. Ha. Ha gördün mü?
Whoa, that was close shave. Now to just calmly reverse their car and... Now I tries American humor. I thought it was called a Dodge truck. High five!
to disagree with me more than anything in the world. It's your favorite fucking thing in the world.
I think that
Here is in-game footage of bored teenager playing new Grand Theft Autos Pakistan. If Gypsy approach your car, you should take every action to escape before she put a curse on you.
Oh my god! Okay.
And yeah, you remember there was a time when
You can get caught.
Another ear-splitting, shrieking womans. This is why in my country we not let them out of house, except to plow the field. Greta Thunberg wants to save fuel so much that she is causing accidents. Crazy Greta!
Problems with I did. So as much as I liked it and as cool as these performances are, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of felt like,
Tiny penis alert! It's Bernie Sanders out for his morning walk, and he witnesses car crash.
You can get caught on a basketball court and be running for 7 minutes straight without a time.
verdorie, hele is kapot.
Nee, die oude gaat er nooit meer uit.
Nee.
When stopped on hill with supercar, it is important to gently brake and pull on the handbrake. Then to edge forward, you slowly find whoa. My neighbor, he bought a clock radio. To help me buy better clock radio to piss him off, please subscribe and hit the bell of notifications. Thank you for watching my movie film of other people's movie films.